We're good.
That's good for MIKAE L.
We're good.
Exactly.
Oh, Yami, my
Yami breaks
daddy.
again with the support combo.
Broke.
Oh, Greninja breaks! No walk!
No, Greninja. It's just Hotbed and Jaden for now.
Still is Jaden Hotbread versus CK. CK holding on his own.
No help.
No help!
LeBron James.
Still 2 days of the map left. There's plenty of time for baguette vending machine to find
Definitely,
some more misses.
if Hotbread and Jaden break right now, they might have a chance. And Tige has to hold though.
Sushi breaks?
Sushi. Yeah. Oh, dude. Gotta stop trading with Sushi, man.
Hey man. He's not a fair trader.
We should halfway point of the map. Hotbed and Jaden still FCing.
Still
Not
climbing.
looking good for Sige. Not looking good for MIKAE.
It's not looking great.
Jaden with 99. Because he's a D2 player. Yeah.
Oh good.
Oh,
to the
Jaden
breaks.
breaks! Now Hotbed just needs to
Hotbreak's
break.
still holding. Can he hold through this ending here? The wind down. And he
Oh, you
can.
can see the leaderboard now. Sige
Big
might
man,
get
don't be nervous. Don't be nervous, big man.
He's gonna. Oh my god.
Jaden, brother.
Okay, the whole team's holding. I think Sige might break here. Oh, Greninja.
Oh,
he
breaks.
finds a break on the camping
Oh,
section.
and
Oh, they
Hotbed
would break.
break.
No.
It's over from here. No combos on either team. So it's gonna be
What did he
6-1.
Yeah, there's not much to do here. There's so little map left.
Yeah, I just don't think it's gonna be comebackable. There's just no
not.
map left. The miss from CK.
Wait, dude, I have a
It's
my
gonna be
matches
going
against.
to match point for baguette vending machine, unfortunately.
Match point 6-1.
Dude, I'm going against freaking Elite
You're
Ronix.
Oh,
Oh my god,
Pick
it's the
up a-
Buckeye.
it's
That guy plays,
Buckeye.
that guy plays a lot of tourneys.
He's not
Does.
good though.
Did
He's
he?
okay. He's, I'd say
160
he's an
PPM.
above average 5-digit player. No,
Yeah, he's probably better than you.
Yeah, but like-
alright,
yeah,
man.
but
like
okay,
everyone's
it's-
better
it's-
than me.
You're
He
like,
sees a stream, he dies.
that's just like Sige.
It's
You
just
know?
like me for real,
Yeah.
man. What the hell?
Yeah, no, it's just actually, yeah, it's a closer
Not quite.
relation with convex.
It's just like
Actually,
me, but
actually not.
better. Stamina capped on 150 hit above. Dude, that's what
Yeah,
I'm
actually.
saying, man.
He's
Elite
just like
Ronix-
you, man.
Elite Ronix is not
150
bad.
and above is crazy. To see him on streams, it's surprising what his
Free mod
his
3.
left. I was free mod 3.
Did they pick a map yet? What is happening? Are they playing
Yeah.
warm-ups? They're playing warm-ups.
Yeah, playing one pretty much.
Oh my god. 3 Banger. This is just flowing, right? Or maybe... Yeah, it's flowing. Who like makes their map willingly 9.1? Like that's such a weird AR.
That's a good
Like,
question.
just make it AR9 or 9.2.
True.
No,
Oh,
Carter
Yeah,
does what he does.
what about 9.3?
Yeah, don't put 9.3. That's fine, you know.
I love
9.1 though. Who does that?
That's yucky. Just make it AR9 at that point.
Exactly.
It's so different.
The song is so banging though.
It is a banger.
True.
I remember that one time. Celine FC'd.
She didn't SS?
No.
She's kinda S.
Yeah.
I think-
Like more like sell lean, because I sell lean.
Yeah, so anyway, free mod 3 here.
CK probably gonna be on
See
Hot
what
Rock, Greninja on
people are.
Nomad, and I'm going to
Indeed.
assume Crunchy's gonna come in for hidden. Yep, there's Crunchy.
Indeed, most likely.
Probably
Greninja on the no mode.
Greninja no more.
Sushi roll on, I would imagine, on Nomad, Hot Bread on hidden, Jaden on Hot Rock. Would have to imagine.
Indeed. That was song so good, bro.
True.
Who's French? Is this you, Kiso?
No.
Huh.
Sushi.
Kiso underscore.
Who's that? I'm convex.
Dude, why is your name Korean anyway?
Cause I'm Korean.
Oh. I'm Korean. $447K prediction.
Watch, he's gonna get 100K lower.
He's gonna get
Oh, Hot Bread
370K.
with Hard Rock actually.
a nice map here.
Crunchy.
That is not Hard Rock.
That's wrong map, big man.
It's the wrong map.
Osu Client.
Hot Break.
Oh, Hot Bread.
There we go.
Really evil ahead.
It is so evil.
It's also pretty good.
Crunchy did find a lot of early misses.
Oh,
Struggling
Hot
on
Bread.
this flow aim
Hot
on
Bread
hidden.
is not having a good time. Nor is Jaden. What is he
Jaden?
doing?
Fuck is man doing?
He's
70%!
What is he doing?
Oh,
Siggy breaking. Crunchy finally breaking.
Sushi roll still
Sushi
holding.
roll.
They're gonna need Sushi roll to
It's
find
so
a miss here
close.
soon.
I'm gonna need him
Ninja
to
cannot
cook
miss.
Well,
if they want
not
one.
really, dude.
A little bit of slow here. And here we go.
And
Jaden breaks,
Jaden
country
not
breaks.
doing too
She
well.
still holds.
Ping! God damn it!
Yard. XD. 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 XD.
XD.
Ninja has it recovered though.
We're at about the halfway point of the
Same
map.
with Hopper.
Sushi roll still holding the Nomad FC. Greninja having found an early miss, unfortunately. Seagate finding a break. That is, unless baguette vending machine starts falling apart, it is not
Yeah,
looking good
it's
for
not looking great. Greninja's kind of cooking though.
Seagate's team.
Never count him out. Hey, lead is just going. Dude, sushi roll is cooking.
What is bro
XD.
doing? XD. Yeah, that's it.
That's it.
That's it. Yeah.
That's it. Oh, sushi does break. But this score from Hopper is kind of nice. On
You
hidden as
put-
well.
Put Glorious Crown and Fremont 1.
I didn't even notice Top Red was building up that much combo on hidden.
Yeah, goddamn, that's actually a really nice score.
Yeah, sadly,
Oh, he breaks on the
I
last round.
think Jaden died.
7-1.
GG, well played. Oh, Jaden left the game.
Oh, I think they still win the map though.
Oh.
One, still tilted. The European way. Well,
Well, I'll see
Jaden's
CDC2.
team, baguette vending machine, wins 7-1 in grand finals.
Sadly, there was too many tapping maps.
My OBS went boom again.
I'm the champion. No sec carry.
Did it actually go boom? I can't tell. No, it didn't. Okay.
Oh, you're fine.
Well,
Oh, that was it, folks.
yeah, that was yeah, that's CDC2 all done.
That's it.
Yeah, Jaden's team takes God 6 months as a quarter. Jaden's team
I'll see.
wins. Thank you for everybody to play. I just stroked out when I made that sentence. Thank you to everyone for playing.
I'm actually so tired. I don't
I'm
want to
so
play these.
tired as well.
I don't want to play these matches, man.
Go to sleep, bro.
Yeah.
All good.
All right, have a good rest of your day, everybody.
All right,
I'll make the
goodbye.
ending announcement very soon. Bye.